I am mourning for the death of my newly exchanged rabbit. She's now dead. I just brought her home last night, but now she's not breathing. And the ants are all over her. It's because I just put this baby rabbit, together with Mr. Google. But Mr. Google maybe Mr. Google jumped on top of her. And now I need to bury her. Goodbye, Marshmallow. That's the name of the dead rabbit. Marshmallow. And this is the cat friend, Oreo. Bye.